Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get into it. First, let's open the app TikTok. Then once you open the app TikTok, go to the option profile. And let's go to our video that we uploaded.
Type the text.
Then click on these three dot buttons at the right hand side, and then what you need to do is save this video. So once you save this video, go back to the file of the video from file manager, or you can go to the gallery, and once you find that video, just click on this option, and then you can go to the app Ringtone Maker. And if you don't have this app on your device, you can go to the app store and then download it for free. So after you have the app Ringtone Maker, click on it,
Type the text
and now
according to your
it
video.
is converting our video into audio. So drag this left hand side and you can cut the audio so that it will fit perfectly for the ringtone. So once you done cutting this audio, just click on the option save, and now it is telling us to set as ringtone. So click on it, and then the permission is required to set ringtones. Please allow. Don't worry, it will not modify other settings except the ringtone. So once you click on the option allow, it will go to this screen. Then click on this option allow modifying system settings, and then let's go back. And yes, if you need it as a default ringtone, just click on this option. Otherwise, if you need it for all around, you can click in this option. And we also have notification option. For now, we are doing the video for default ringtone, so click on the option confirm. Then your ringtone is set successfully. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in another episode of Quick Guide. Until then, have a great day.